Hello kids, welcome to the mathematics class. Hope all of you are practicing math every day. Kids, today we will learn a new topic that is ordinal numbers. Okay, so let's start our class.
Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell us the position of an object in a sequence. Let us learn the ordinal numbers and their names with these animals. For example, here the lion is placed in the first position. The cock is in the second position. The monkey is in the third position. The panda bear is in the fourth position. The frog is in the fifth position. The eagle is in the sixth position. The dog is in the seventh position. The duck is in the eighth position. The fox is in the ninth position. And the turtle is in the 10th position.
Kids, our today's topic is ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tells us order, position or rank of a particular object. Kids, look at this page. I have made a chart for you. Like 1 means first, and when we will write ordinal numbers, this is the way we need to write it. Okay, so 1 means first, and in ordinal number write 1 and write st first. 2 second, write here 2 nd second. 3 third, 3 rd third. 4 fourth, 4 th fourth. 5 fifth, 5 th fifth. 6 sixth, 6 th sixth. 7 seventh, 7 th seventh. 8 eighth, 8 th eighth. 9 ninth, 9 th ninth. 10 tenth, 10 th tenth. Kids, remember one thing, when you will write the ordinal number, you have to write the number and the last two alphabet of the spelling. Look, here I have written 1 and the last two alphabet st I have added here. Okay, here also 2 and the last two alphabet nd. Here also 3, last two alphabet rd. Like this you have to write the numbers. Okay, now all of you take out your mathematics book. All of you take out your mathematics book and page number 97. Look at this page. There are 10 kids running in this picture. The kid who reached earliest at the finish point, he will be first. Then the next one will be second. Then third and so on. Like this, the ordinal numbers tells us the position of these kids. Okay, so kids, all of you practice this numbers, ordinal numbers at your home. Okay, and for today's homework, take out your mathematics copy. All of you write HW as your homework and write date on the left top corner of your copy. Now all of you write the question. Write WRITE. Write the the table 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 of 1, 2 and 3. Kids, hope you remembered the table. So this is your homework. Do at home. Thank you and bye bye till the next class.